Managing service requests efficiently can make or break the productivity of an enterprise. Introducing Service Request Management, our comprehensive solution that streamlines request handling, automates approvals, and integrates seamlessly with other ITSM modules. Designed for IT managers, CIOs, and large enterprises, this feature ensures fast, accurate, and hassle-free service fulfillment. Organizations often encounter challenges like delayed service requests, manual processing, and the absence of a centralized system. These issues hinder productivity, reduce user satisfaction, and make tracking requests a tedious task. But what if you had a solution designed to address these inefficiencies head-on? Our Service Request Management module tackles these pain points with cutting-edge features. Automated routing ensures every request reaches the right technician without delay. Hierarchical and custom approvals make the process smoother and faster. Comprehensive workflows handle everything from request logging to closure efficiently. Integration with SLA and knowledge-based modules provides instant access to resources and ensures SLA adherence. Real-time tracking keeps IT managers informed of request status, while the instant report generator provides actionable insights. The benefits of service request management are transformative. Faster request fulfillment minimizes downtime, keeping users productive. A better user experience ensures higher satisfaction among employees and stakeholders. Improved tracking and reporting provide transparency and insights, helping your team continuously refine processes. With these advantages, your enterprise can focus on growth rather than operational hurdles. It's time to say goodbye to inefficiencies and delays. Embrace a streamlined approach to service request management that ensures every request is handled with precision and care. Visit ZServiceDesk.com and schedule a demo today to see how we can transform your IT operations.